On the number 27, the problem is identify the employees who have handled at least one transaction where the delivery cost was higher than the average delivery cost for the store they work in. First thing we need to do is select distinct for the unique values on employee ID, concatenate the employee first name and the last name as employee name, and restaurant ID na restaurant name. From transaction T, in order on order ID to transaction ID. Join restaurant menu details on restaurant menu details ID to order ID. Join restaurant on restaurant ID to restaurant menu details ID. Next is join employee position details on employee position details ID to transaction ID. And join employees on employee ID to employee position details ID. We need to use where transaction delivery cost is greater than. We need to select average transaction delivery cost from transaction T2. Transaction 2, inner join orders to on order to order ID to transaction ID. Inner join restaurant menu details on restaurant menu details ID to order ID, where restaurant menu details ID or restaurant ID. The last thing we need to do is group by the employee ID, first name, last name, the restaurant ID, and the restaurant name. Let me delete this first. And when we click go, it works.